Hey guys, I bet you I could pop all these 5 poppets before you can like, follow, and share. And you better not pause the video because that's 100% cheating and it's not. Anyways, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Did you win?
What does the blue button do?
I don't know. Let's see.
Reese's Puffs.
I'm going to give this package totally free to one of my follower. Here is a jumbo poppet and a color change poppet, a poppet case. 2 PCs mini poppet. 4 PCs new simple dimples. 2 PCs new snappers. And 2 PCs new dimple spinner. Just follow the instructions.